Today we are learning about staying safe. Sometimes, people we do not know might try to give us something. Watch me first. We will learn what to do when a stranger offers food or toys. We remember 3 steps, NO. Go and tell. Let's practice together. Now you try. Stranger, hello. I have chocolate for you. Adult, is this a stranger? Child, yes. Adult, do we take food? Child, no. Adult, what do we say? Child, no, thank you. Great safe choice. Stranger, I have a nice toy. Take it. Adult, safe or not safe? Child, not safe. Adult, say it. Child, no, thank you. Adult, move away. Praise immediately. Stranger, come with me, I will give you candy. Adult, what do we do? Child, no, moves away, goes to parent. Adult, very good. You did not go. Stranger, this is for you. Child, no, thank you. Adult, then what? Child, go tell. Adult, excellent telling. Stranger offers item again. Child independently identifies stranger. Says no, thank you. Moves away. Tells trusted adult. Amazing. You're safe. Give reward. If a stranger gives food or toys, say no, thank you. Move away. Go to mom or teacher. Stay safe. You did a great job today.